We are Team Rooting for Biodiversity, and we are based in Poolesville, Maryland.
As avid hikers, we've noticed a critical issue here in Maryland. Did you know that 87.2% of Maryland is considered urbanized?
Developers are choosing non-native plants, leading to detrimental impacts on our ecosystem.
Biodiversity isn't just about preserving pretty flowers. It's about maintaining the delicate balance of our environment.
Our plan is simple but effective. We plan to make gardens similar to this. But instead of focusing on veggies such as tomatoes and cucumbers, we plan to use those gardens to showcase Maryland's beautiful native plants.
We'll start by gathering background information such as soil quality and average amount of sunlight. We will then create gardens and include QR codes to our website so that people can learn more about Maryland's native plants.
Through these diversity hubs, we'll not only enhance biodiversity, but also create green spaces for communities to enjoy.